Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate an image in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will need to do is to open your projects and then you will need just to add your images. So here I have this video and let's suppose it will be just as background and then we can just add a solid color which would be just an image and we can choose uh, anything. And basically here I'm just going to make sure it has like small size so it can be more visible. And basically to start animating an image, all you would be needing to do is like to have keyframe and changing the properties of an image. So basically we have this shape here or this image. Now we want like to make it to move from point A to point B in the time. So basically all you will be needing to do is to go to image and from here you will find all the properties of the image. So here we want to change position since we want to change where it should work. So basically in this time I want this image to be here. So basically it will create a keyframe. So it was here and in this point of time I want it to be here. So when I go for a playback you will see that it is moving. The same you can do for all the properties. Let's suppose that my image at this point it was in this side. So now I'm just going to scale it and I'm just going to add scale. So let's first add a keyframe. So I wanted to have this scale and when it comes to this point I want it to descale and change its size. So and basically it will be something similar to this and it will be changing the size however you like. And you can do this like for all the properties like the coloring, masking, anything that you have in a property. And basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.